Ways to improve productivity in agriculture to meet market needs. Agriculture plays a critical role in meeting the food demands of the world's growing population. As such, farmers and agribusinesses are continually searching for ways to improve their productivity. Improving productivity in agriculture involves finding ways to increase crop yields, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. In this essay, we will explore various methods of improving productivity in agriculture. One of the most effective ways to improve agricultural productivity is through the use of technology. Technology has made significant advances in recent years, and the agricultural sector is no exception. Farmers can now use drones and satellite imaging to monitor crops, identify areas that require attention, and make data-driven decisions. These technologies also enable farmers to apply fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides with greater precision, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Another key method for improving agricultural productivity is through better irrigation systems. Water is a scarce resource, and efficient use of it is essential. Modern irrigation systems, such as drip irrigation, help farmers use water more efficiently and reduce water waste. These systems can also help reduce the amount of water needed to grow crops, making it possible to farm in regions with limited water resources. Crop rotation is another effective method of improving agricultural productivity. Crop rotation involves alternating the crops grown on a piece of land, which helps reduce soil erosion, improve soil health, and increase crop yields. By rotating crops, farmers can also reduce the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, which can be harmful to the environment. In addition to these methods, precision agriculture is also gaining popularity as a way to improve agricultural productivity. Precision agriculture involves using data-driven techniques to optimize crop growth, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. It involves collecting and analyzing data on soil quality, weather patterns, and crop growth to make more informed decisions. This approach can help farmers tailor their farming practices to the specific needs of each crop and each field, resulting in higher yields and more efficient use of resources. Improving agricultural productivity also involves investing in the education and training of farmers. Many farmers lack access to the latest technology, methods, and techniques for improving productivity. By investing in education and training programs, farmers can learn about new technologies, sustainable farming practices, and ways to improve efficiency. This investment can help increase yields, reduce waste, and improve the quality of crops. Agriculture is an essential sector that supports the global economy and feeds billions of people worldwide. The increasing demand for food due to population growth, urbanization, and changing dietary patterns requires farmers and agribusinesses to produce more food with fewer resources, including land, water, and energy. To meet this challenge, improving agricultural productivity is crucial. In this essay, we will explore various methods of improving agricultural productivity that can help farmers meet the demands of the market while sustaining the environment. One of the most effective ways to improve agricultural productivity is through the adoption of sustainable agriculture practices. Sustainable agriculture aims to enhance productivity while preserving natural resources, reducing negative environmental impacts, and improving farmers' livelihoods. Sustainable agriculture practices include crop diversification, agroforestry, conservation tillage, integrated pest management, and organic farming. These practices